Got a couple things we're going to talk to you about. First off is a new bag that we're bringing on from ArborTech. This is their dry kit 50 liter. I'll start off by saying, this type of bag where you just cram everything in isn't my personal favorite, but that being said, this is a nice setup for your climbing line, your normal climbing kit, your ascent and descent control system, a little bit of rescue gear, your helmet. Because it is a roll top true dry bag, and there's another dry pouch on the inside as well, you can keep your spare, wool long underwear top and layers dry as well, because obviously when you open this in a pouring rainstorm in the Pacific Northwest or the UK, water's going to get inside your bag. You want to keep your stuff, you want to keep really dry. So this retention system here works good for your helmet. It does have a few daisy chains for those that want to clip gear, on the outside of the bag, which I find myself doing. Water bottle holders on both sides. The hip belt and the shoulder straps I'm pretty pleased with, as with the back pad. This is a bag that you could put your climbing kit in and travel through the woods, easily a couple miles. I've done it and have not had an issue with it. There is a little zippered pouch on the left side of the hip belt for keys, whatever you need, can of Copenhagen maybe. All right, so as I said, roll top. And it's got good capacity. I've got some rescue slings and gear. And obviously a few little stuff sacks. You could compartmentalize your gear a bit better than the way I've got it piled in here right now. Couple friction savers. So on the inside you've got a zippered pouch that, work orders, wallet, what have you. And then when Ian gets a little bit closer, this took me a second to cipher on this. On the inside is a whole nother roll top dry bag. See if we can get that so you can see it. And that's easily got room for, dry set of socks after the end of the day. You put on your slippers in the truck, you're headed home. Nice dry feet, nice dry thermal to put on top. Maybe even keep your Sanger from getting waterlogged. But overall, so far, I'm real impressed. It's a pretty durable PVC fabric, in a true dry bag construction type. And again, available at WesSpur Tree Equipment.